Hey there, I'm Sophie, a passionate foodie and economics student at Paris Dauphine University. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my favorite recipe, the classic Quiche Lorraine. You know, being a student in Paris is amazing, but sometimes I miss the comforts of home cooking. That's why I love whipping up this delicious quiche in my tiny apartment kitchen. It's so easy and perfect for those late-night study sessions or impromptu gatherings with my classmates. Let me tell you how I make it. First, I start with a buttery, short-crust pastry. You can make it from scratch if you're feeling ambitious, but honestly, store-bought works just fine when you're short on time. Now, for the filling, this is where the magic happens. I beat together 4 eggs, about a cup of heavy cream, and a splash of milk. Then I season it with a pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and a little nutmeg for that extra je ne sais quoi. The star of the show, lardons. These little bits of smoky bacon goodness are what make a quiche Lorraine truly special. I fry them up until they're nice and crispy. Once everything's ready, I pour the egg mixture into the pastry shell, sprinkle in the lardons, and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees, or 180 degrees for us Europeans, for about 40-45 minutes. The result? A golden puffy quiche that's creamy on the inside and perfectly crisp on the outside. It's my go-to dish when I want to impress my friends or just treat myself after acing an exam. You know, studying economics can be pretty intense, but cooking helps me unwind. Plus, it's a great way to budget my meals. One quiche can last me several days. It's like applying my economics lessons to real life, balancing taste and cost-effectiveness. Living in Paris, I'm surrounded by amazing food, but there's something special about creating a classic French dish in my own kitchen. It makes me feel connected to the culinary heritage of this beautiful city. So, next time you're in the mood for a taste of France, give this quiche Lorraine a try. Trust me, it's easier than deciphering economic models and way more delicious. Bon appétit!